This video will demonstrate how to configure custom admin roles and resource sets in order to allow an administrator with a role other than super administrator to perform import actions for Active Directory integrations in Okta. Administrators in roles other than super administrator may be unable to view or access the import menu for Active Directory integrations configured within Okta. This behavior is expected when the administrator account does not have sufficient permissions to run imports for the Active Directory application. We can create a custom administrator role and resource set to allow an administrator to initiate imports without the super administrator role being assigned to that individual. To create a custom role, navigate to Security, then select Administrators, Roles, and click Create New Role. Enter a name for the role and ensure that the option Run Imports is checked under the Profile Source Permissions settings. Configure the remaining role permissions as desired. Next, we will create a custom resource set to limit this role to managing imports in Active Directory instances only. Navigate to Security, then select Administrators, Resources, and click Create New Resource Set. Provide a name and description for the new resource set and then click Add Resource. In the Find a Resource Type search bar, select Applications from the drop-down menu. Select the option for Select Applications. Search for Active Directory and select the option for all Active Directory applications. Save selection. Now the newly created role and resource set can be assigned to administrators by navigating to Security, then select Administrators, Admins. Search for the user you want to add and select the newly created role and resource set. Click Save Changes to complete the assignment. This configuration will allow administrators assigned to the custom role and resource set to run imports from Active Directory integrations in the Okta Admin Console without the assignment of the super administrator role. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.